Let's have a look now at trend lines and channels, and once again please note daily and 4-hour chart. Okay, not 5-minute or 15-minute, daily and 4-hour. It's all about the higher time frame key areas. Okay, remember, we're not moving the market ourselves, so we need to rely on the institutional traders to move the market for us. So all we can do is find the areas that they are likely to be watching and trade around those levels. So let's have a look at what we're talking about when we talk about channels and trend lines. First things first, we want to identify 2 swing lows and 2 swing highs. Okay, really straightforward. And you can see I've labeled them, 2 at the bottom, 2 at the top. We then want to connect the lows and the highs, and you can see it forms a channel. Right, now this is obviously a picture perfect example, but you'll be amazed at how well the market keeps to these channels in a well-defined trending environment. Here again you can see between point 1 and 2 we have a price flip, so we have resistance, now comes back to support, and when price comes back up to the top end of the channel, we may want to look at establishing a short trade. Once again you can see price breaks the top at resistance and it comes back down to this level, so we have the channel and the horizontal support or resistance becoming support. You can also add in some Fibonacci levels, which we'll get to a bit later on. And you can see price rallies up to the top end of the channel, drives back down, and once again resistance likely come back to support. And look at the channel, how the channel holds. So it's at these levels here that we're looking for potential sell opportunities, or in this instance a buy opportunity, and the same over here. Then price breaks down, and watch this very closely. When price breaks these lows, we have resistance becoming support, and it cracks this trend line. Pay very close attention for a short opportunity. So once again we're looking for patterns to sell if these trend lines or channels align with other areas or zones of resistance, and we're looking for patterns to buy if the trend lines or the channel at the bottom of the channel lines up with other areas of support. So in this instance, you see how we had this area of support, horizontal support, and the low area of the channel line or the trend line lining up gives us a nice confluence. And the same here, once again we have resistance, it breaks, so it comes back, we find confluence with the channel line as well as the horizontal support line. You can see price breaks through and it comes back to retest the back end of the channel line or the trend line, and we look to sell if these trend lines align with other areas of resistance. And here again, which we're going to discuss in the next part, we're not going to just click buy, sell, sell, buy, sell. We're going to look to see if price confirms that our analysis is correct and that there's somebody willing to step in at these levels and push price in our desired direction.